Keep on watching guys dahil napakadaling gawin nito and napakasarap pa. Well, hello again mga Beaus and Bells. In today's video, gagawa naman tayo ngayon ng no-bake blueberry cheesecake. This is a very smooth dessert and napakadali lang siyang gawin. Blueberry cheesecake na ito guys has a thick and buttery crust. Okay guys, so ito yung gagamitin kong biscuits para sa kanyang crusts and kailangan natin tong i-blender para maging very fine siya. Okay guys, so ito lahat yung ingredients ng ating no-bake blueberry cheesecake. 1/4 cup granulated sugar and 1 cup melted butter, powdered sugar na 1 pack, and yung ating biscuits or crackers. And ayan, dapat maging ganyan yung ating crackers. And meron tayo ditong cream cheese. And yung ating pang-toppings na blueberries. Okay guys, so una nating gawin is to make the crust. And ayan, na-blender na yung ating biscuits. So ngayon naman, add natin yung ating 1/4 cup na granulated sugar. Guys, may bago pala akong spatula. Oh, ang ganda pa ng kanyang quotes. Life is what you bake it. Okay, so ngayon haluin nating mabuti yung ating biscuit and sugar mixture. Isunod naman nating ilagay yung ating melted butter na 1/2 cup. Okay, so kailangan nating haluin mabuti hanggang sa ma-incorporate yung butter and biscuits. Ngayon naman guys, ilipat natin siya sa ating baking paper and then i-press natin siya hanggang sa makompress siya. And then, tsaka natin siya i-chill for 4 hours or overnight. Hey guys, good morning! And ngayong araw na to, itutuloy natin yung ating no-bake blueberry cheesecake. Kagabi, ginawa natin yung crust niya. So, na-chill ko na overnight. So, ngayong araw naman, gagawin natin yung cream cheese filling. Okay guys, so ngayon naman, i-beat natin yung ating whipping cream na may 38% fat. And i-beat natin siya sa mixer hanggang sa maging soft and fluffy. Ngayon naman guys, na soft and fluffy na yung ating cream, ihahalo natin ngayon yung ating cream cheese. Ihalo na rin natin yung ating 1/2 cup na powdered sugar. Kailangan natin ng 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder and then lalagyan natin siya ng tubig. Haluin muna natin bago natin siya ipainit sa microwave para mag-melt. Ngayon guys, ihalo na natin yung ating whipped cream doon sa ating cream cheese mixture. Kapag na-incorporate na natin yung ating whipped cream, cream cheese, powdered sugar, this time, ilalagay naman natin yung ating gelatin. Now, we're done sa ating cream cheese filling, so pwede na natin siyang i-layer sa ating crust. Guys, so pag na-layer na natin yung ating cream cheese filling, takpan natin siya and then i-chill natin for 4 hours para mag-set yung ating cream cheese bago natin ilagay yung ating blueberry toppings. So yan guys, tapos na yung ating dessert, blueberry cheesecake na no-bake. Pero guys, I would suggest na i-chill nyo siya overnight before serving para talagang completely set yung ating cream cheese filling. Views and bells, please do subscribe!